Hey, what is going on, guys? TechWolf is here, back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Nvidia control panel access denied, fail to apply selected settings to your system error. So this happens when you change some settings in your Nvidia control panel under the manage 3D settings. Whenever you try to change something here and click on the apply button, it's just gonna give this error. So um, this mostly happens because of driver issues, and I will tell you how to fix this. So what you need to do is simply go to the Nvidia app, and then you go to the driver section here. If you see an update or download option for the driver, basically you need to update to the latest version. If it is already updated, then just simply click on this reinstall. But I have already updated, so I don't have this issue anymore. But you guys should definitely try this out, because if you reinstall your driver, it's gonna reset everything to default like it used to be. So if you update or reinstall or download it freshly, it should solve the issue. So yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.